It's not delivery, it's DiGiorno. It's DiGiorno pan pizza that includes its own pan. We got to review this and say whether we like it or not. Pull tab. All right. That worked real well, DiGiorno.
Oh, look at those pepperonis just falling everywhere.
Everywhere. All right. So let's get this film off. By pan, they mean a cardboard such pan.
Like you thought it was going to be anything else.
Oh, I knew that it was going to be that. All right, so there's the thickness of the pizza. Now, let's fix this pepperoni situation because this is just not okay.
I'm trying to think, is pepperonis the plural or is it just pepperoni?
Comment below. Is it pepperoni or is it pepperonis?
I think it's pepperoni.
Pepperoni?
Pepperoni? Cacti?
Bake 22 to 24 minutes. DiGiorno, the company that makes DiGiorno, is Nestle.
Less looking, more cooking.
This is foreshadowing. Nestle. Nestle makes DiGiorno pizza. It's time to put the pizza in the oven. Y'all didn't hear it, but the beeper just went off. Let's take a peek. Oh. I'm not sure what to think about that.
You need my opinion so you know what to do the opposite of.
Something like that.
Done to me.
Actually, yeah. All right. Let's see here.
I would say I don't think 2 more minutes is going to make much difference anyway.
All right. Now, with the regular pan pizza, I'm really good at and moving it over, but with this, I'm not sure how good I'm going to be. Tail feathers. Can she get it out of the pan? Look, it's
Kind of
sticking.
stuck a little bit.
It's stuck to the pan.
But it's a non-stick pan.
See? Look, right here.
Yeah. But it's coming up fairly easy, it looks like. Ta-da!
Does it seem like that side is a little more like droopy?
Yeah, lopsided.
How does one cut a rectangular pizza?
Have you not been to Little Caesars in like forever? You just cut it in squares.
I can count the number one time that I've been to Little Caesars and I don't remember it.
Whichever gives me more pepperoni.
No. Then you could have that side. And
If you want to do it that way, that's fine. And I was joking about giving me more pepperoni, but
well, it's yeah. It's yeah. it's really doughy. Or
Well, and that's kind of what the deep dishes are. Are you stealing pepperoni? Well, it was your wait. I don't know. I see a big bald spot on my side. I'm thinking you stole one of my pepperonis.
all right.
The question is, how was that little piece?
It was tolerable. All right, it's not delivery. It's DiGiorno deep dish.
Eh.
Come back on Wednesday to find out if we like it or not. Stick around for the bloopers and cutscenes. Where's the
This side.
There we go. I found it. Wait, I can't use that, can I? I can't use that.
I finally found it. Well, the I finally found it's what got her in trouble with them in the first place. No one out there watching YouTube now is going to ever remember this.
All right.
They were too young when
Let's
that
see.
commercial came out.
Let's go ahead and get it preheated.
I'm noticing the common denominator, though, is you.
The one pizza, the Wild Nights, I was able to open up, no problem. Am I even recording?
Yeah.
You're moving things around while I'm speaking, so it's going to look funny.
Well, I'm trying to figure, if one thing, the head unit's about to fall off.